Hello, welcome to part 3 of our Simple CMS series. In this lecture I will show you how to create a login page. At first we will go to the registration page and copy the header out of it and create a new login file. At first we will make an if statement about we will check if the username is empty, and the same with the password. So we can see if the user entered the right information and no empty information. So we will create an if statement. So let me type a little bit and I can explain it later. Yeah, after we finished the um, uh, field statement, so we can start to see if the username error and the password error is empty, so we can start with a database connection. We will connect to the database and check if the username is in this database. If not, we will create a redirect to the registration page or a link, so we can the user can do a registration. Yeah, I will type a little bit so I can talk a little bit later, so I can better type. Yeah, you see the if I type something, my program tells me what I can type in, the variables also. It's IntelliSense from PHP Storm. Yeah, so that's a big feature of an IDE. So you see param username. I don't need to type it. I can click on it, and the program will autofill the variable at this location I want to have. Yeah, now we must execute the statement. So we will write the store result. It's for getting params out of the database. Yeah, I will use the hashed password function from PHP. It's auto-generated function from PHP. I will declare it a little bit later. So let me type and I will explain it then. Oops, I forgot the dollar sign. Yeah, and this is when the login is correct, we will redirect the user to the welcome PHP. It's only simple. In future you can redirect to your dashboard or something else. It's the redirect to the restricted area. So we have only logged in user, we have no really based groups or something else. So it's very, very simple. Yeah, and after this, a little check if the password was wrong. Yeah, so now I will close the SQL statement, my SQL statement. So it's a little bit safe. We will close the statement, and yeah, now the database and the rest we will see in the next video.